Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you 5 real-time interview questions with answers from 1 to 5 out of 350 questions. Before going to discuss about the questions, please subscribe my channel, like it and click on bell button. What is the difference between local and remote metastore? Local metastore. In local metastore configuration, the metastore service runs in the same JVM in which the Hive service is running and connects to a database running in a separate JVM, either on the same machine or on the remote machine. In remote metastore configuration, the metastore service runs on its own separate JVM and not in the Hive service JVM. Other processes communicate with the Metastore server using Thrift Network APIs. You can have one or more Metastore servers in this case to provide more availability. Next, what is the default database provided by Apache Hive for Metastore? By default, Hive provides an embedded Derby database instance backed by the local disk for the Metastore. This is called the embedded Metastore configuration. Next one. What is the difference between external table and in managed table? Here is the key difference between an external table and managed table. In case of managed table, if one drops a managed table, the metadata information along with the table data is deleted from the Hive warehouse directory. In external table, on the contrary, in case of an external table, Hive just deletes the metadata information regarding the table and leaves the table data present in HDFS untouched. Next one is define the difference between Hive and HBase. I have provided a table that shows difference between HBase and Hive. HBase is built on the top of HDFS. But in case of Hive, it is a data warehousing infrastructure. The second difference is HBase operations run in a real time on its database. In coming to Hive, Hive queries are executed as MapReduce jobs internally. Third difference is HBase provides low latency to single rows from huge datasets. Coming to Hive, Hive provides high latency for huge datasets. Fourth difference is HBase provides random access to data. Coming to Hive, Hive provides random access to data. Next question is explain clustering in Hive. Basically, to decompose table datasets into more manageable pods is clustering in Hive. To be more specific, the table is divided into the number of partitions, and these partitions can be further subdivided into more manageable pods known as buckets or clusters. In addition, clustered by clause is used to divide the table into buckets. Thank you all friends. We will see in the upcoming videos.